In this video, I'm going to show you how to add drum kits to Soundtrap. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go inside your project, you want to click on Add New Track, either at the bottom or on the left over here, and then here you have drums and machines. So, to actually add a drum kit, click on Drums and Machines, and then here you have two options. You have Pattern Beat Maker, or you have a Smart Drummer. So if you click on Smart Drummer, you could go ahead and choose a virtual drummer to play along with your song. So as you can see here, you can go ahead and basically select a bunch of different ones, and that way kind of add the drum kits in here. Or you could also do the other one, which of course is going to allow you more customization. So if you click on Patterns Beat Maker here, you can go ahead and select the drum kit up here. So it says instrument, you want to click on it. Here you have your drum kit. You can go ahead and basically just kind of hit any of these to be able to hear them. And then here, machines right now, it says tasty. I can click on that and I can go ahead and basically change it to whatever. So there's a bunch of different ones you can use. Here you have the kits, and you can go ahead and basically just select the one you want. For example, as you can hear, that's what they sound. Let's say if I want this one, this clean black, I can go ahead and double click. It's going to select, and then there we go. As you can hear, it's basically playing these drum kits, and I can go to patterns over here, and I can now go ahead and basically create patterns based on these drum kits I've just added in here. Of course, I could go to the piano roll as well, and I can go ahead and use that too, but of course it's completely up to you. So that's how to add drum kits. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.